Hi everyone, today we're going to make a wonderful breakfast recipe. This is a great way to spice up your breakfast if you're afraid of the boring old pancakes, cereal, and toast. So this is called a cookie cinnamon sandwich. So it's very simple and it's a great thing. And there is cookies in it, as you can see, but I ate the middles out already. Haha, you can do that if you like, or just keep the middles in. So first you get margarine or butter, whatever you like. I like margarine, so that's what it's going to be. Put it on. By the way, this is healthy bread. As you can see, it's got stuff in it. You put that on. And whatever, that's enough. Actually, no. Put more. And then you put some cinnamon. Cinnamon's yummy. That's why you gotta put it. Voila. Coat both of them. Perfect. Then you put the lovely cookies. Everybody loves cookies, so you gotta put it there. Fantastic. And then you gotta keep a little room for where you gotta cut it. There you go. You gotta make sure. Okay. Awesome, and there's your sandwich. Now, you can put it in the oven if you like for a little bit to make it warm and very, very nice. And then, if you don't want to put it in, I'm just going to make a little bit of kind of a presentation, not really. Yummy! There you got it, your cinnamon cookie sandwich. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, and don't forget to comment when you try this and make this and eat this. And your stomach will be so happy you'll be having a party. Bye.